Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hadu benta ki pulet klayak kem Ngut ki beriu ki bedan keti bentuk na ki lightly ki ATM na kani ke Jylla bat Napdeng ki ki Ngut arun ki de na Haryana arun na Assam bat arun bat ki de ki Trai Jylla nalo ki de ki pulet dang tuat shu si ki wepat ki bedan keti ha kani ka kam haba keren ki lar thai kubor USP ki is Khasi Hills ba Vivek Sim ulayat ho ba ki de ki bedan keti bentuk na ki lightly ki ATM kata na Smit lai pusan laktam na Mawkriah rupra laktam bat na Mylliem lai pusan laktam ki arut ki Trai Jylla ki bedan keti lang ki kintop yo ba John Fisher Linkhoi uba na umpling bat wepat udai pulit special operation team ubla sya be kam no ba Jylla na maulai nang kwar
1st May 2025 where the ATM which was located at Mawkriah was robbed and cash 28,13,100 was stolen. Then subsequently on the 30th of December another ATM at Smit was looted and cash about 35,57,000 was stolen. Then on the 8th of February the last ATM which was looted was at Mylliem and about 35 lakhs was looted from there. The people were professionals. The time which they took for actually stealing from every ATM was roughly about 7 minutes. So highly professional people. We have actually never seen such professional looting of ATMs so far, and this is the first instance where we have seen people actually professionally looting it in such a short span of time. So following the registration, we had registered 3 cases in Napdeng and 2 cases in Mawkriah and 1 in Napdeng. And following the investigation by the special cell, on 27th February, a 7-member team led by our DSP operations, Simseng Sangma, was deputed to Haryana Ngut district. And on the 9th of March, the 7-member team started to conduct operations there with the help of the Central Investigation Agency of Ngut district, Haryana, to arrest these people. As a result of these sustained efforts, 2 accused, and these people who are wanted and also involved in many such ATM cases in the country and also in particular in the northeast, namely one Sri Salim, 26 years of Doraki, Mewat, Haryana, and Sri Rahul, 31 years of Bazitpur, Nuh, who were involved in the crime and actually the main people who actually were involved in cutting down the ATMs were arrested. And following their arrest and all that, the local operations in Shillong also was conducted, where we arrested 2 people who are the local facilitators, namely John Fisher Linkhoi, 32 years, resident of Umpling, and Jylla, 47 years, Maulai Nangkwar, both arrested from Shillong after the operations in Haryana. And for John Fisher and Jylla, we've got 6 days remand, and for Rahul and Salim, we've got a 5-day remand. Following this operation, yes, on the 12th, another team of the special cell headed by DSP Crime left for Assam, and one of the accused, his name is Rijal Karim, 38 years, was arrested from Chakla under Abhaipur PS in Borneo. And last night, another accused, Shri Lius Ali, 28 years, from Boragaon, was arrested under Gurchuk PS. So we found incriminating evidence against these people, and of course the investigation hasn't stopped. Investigation is still on, to actually arrest some of the culprits who are absconding. So the East Khasi Hills police is endeavoring that we get all the culprits as soon as possible. They are local facilitators. They actually have contacted they were contacted by the Assam counterparts and the Assam counterparts by the people from Haryana. So they're the people who identify the ATMs out here. These 2 people actually have been involved in many other crimes, from drug trafficking to murder to many other forms of criminal activity and all that. So they have a history of crime, and they were the ones actually who recce'd the place and identified the ATMs to be looted. So far, we've got 6 people. There are still more people. As and when we interrogate and all that, we will get to know more people and all that. Of course, we have some people in our mind and all that. That special cell is yet to nab them. But as an investigation, interrogation is in progress and all that, we'll get to know the exact number of people who are actually really involved.
So all of them involved in all the 3 cases?
Yes. See, it took a lot of hard work from the special cell, piecing all the evidence together, and a lot of people from DSP Ops, DSP City, SP City, additional SP Ops, the whole team and all that actually worked in different areas, and actually when they pieced the evidence together and all that, they could get the bigger picture, and from there zero down on the culprits. It is related to anything. Yes, on the 10th, there was an attempt after one of the accused, this Rahul, was actually produced in court in Punhana, Ngut district, and after being produced in court and all that, he was being brought back to Ngut district, to Ngut city, and at Sikrawa, they were accosted by about 30 people. One of them, the crowd even tried to snatch the weapon, and they had to fire blank shots and even on the ground, and a bullet ricocheted and hit one person. That person is recovering, and a case has been registered. About 12 people have been identified, so investigation is on in Haryana. Kami ada berkatakan investigation day kay ni kami kadang-kadang take but kabak ni petang kata benta jong ka ATM hi ban pe bahian jong no kata kamdan kata terms of reference
ka benta ba
ni kong sya ni la subaya baro hi long Kiba tap pisah, because kani kalau tebet hadu kata hi ban bat sei pisah tang aport nyom net bat ru apa cukup pot bat tep ru badan pisah entah di Dre hadu mentahi ngipat lap hi kata bakin de ki nong Trai ka bank bakin Donkti. Dre war kata gindang docket syahmat ai ban pe dan ti manul dan yang baru dan badan keti nak kalian Donkti nong Trai jong ka bank ne Kiba terpisah. Em pengalong nikong ba kani hi kadi jinya Trai jong baro hi ki benta jong ka special cell hi Kiba hadian mengila piece pada ngila bolang kini evidence but kasami kin kata ni susu menu badan keti ti bun ki benta juga special set kebela Trai hak ni dan bun ki areas but hadi lapis kini evidence kun ni salap ni kalau kuno taka crime ki kuno modus operandi kalau kuno kejinya ki kalau kuno hata kani ru kalen bang Kiba kani hoi ngala ngala patai Kiba kani kadika nilayo ban kem kiru taka jingarap jangka asam polis buat Haryana polis di Kibla dan benta ban penyerap ni ban kem kini kibrio syek tu ki Jylla buat terpang ya ka Central Investigation Agency jangka Ngut district buat USP jangka Ngut district tu pula ya yarap sibun ya ini ban identify ban kem kini kibrio kami ka masuk ban kem akan ni ka ni kani ka ka nu kamtam bun kibrio kita pangka mewah ni kadi. It's a very criminal prone district, but agar kita cakap ini kami tersuki ban kem, ban Trai ka special cell hi like Trai borba testom, ban identify ban yo ban kem kita. Kita kiri kim papan yo, ki gas cutting machines kita dan berki, dia tu layo ansar ka kita. The trail of cash, hadi nak layo orang ni kita belalud, pelud, kita bela seal kiram juki, di ngidang pet. Nangis kuat ni nampak let's say kila buat ki funds syakawai ke cakai la park those funds somewhere else dia kata ni nampak. Yes, it is true. One is a former SOT person.
So his name
Joyous Dura. Unless you see people from outside will not be able to commit the crime unless they are facilitated by local facilitators through the people from Assam, and they have actually bridged the two groups. That's still on. In fact, that's why but since the incident in Haryana had come out, and so most of the people, the public, had come to know about this incident, including the press fraternity. so we had to give the press briefing today. But operations are still on. In fact, we still have our team in Assam right now. The special cell will still continue its investigation to get more of the culprits in Haryana also. This is post-arrest. After arrest, when we go and arrest, yes, we take the help of the local police. We have taken the help of the local police, and this was after production in court. After production in Punhana court, then they were brought back. After production and all that, there's no more arrest. So when we were brought back to Ngut, that time the attack was. We expect many more. So let's see as and when the kabinang docket show in dadan kanu ka sabut na ka indication ba kini kita Donkti show week beliau ni tentang Napdeng show ajin kian tunjuk berarti.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Mawkriah lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Mawkriah now.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? Family का सबसे youngest भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.